Hello ma'am, my name is John Leonard Capistrano. Today we will be exploring the idea of process standardization, purpose, and importance. I will also explaining the roles of planning and supervising, followed by some effective methods for supervising people. First, what is process standardization? To begin, what is process standardization? It is a practice of creating consistent guidelines or procedure to ensure tasks are complete in a uniform manner. This approach improves efficiency, quality, and consistency across an organization. Here are three examples of how process standardization can be achieved. First, developing standard operating procedure or SOP, which are step-by-step instructions that employees can follow to avoid confusion. Second, using quality controls checklists to ensure every step of a process meets the required standard. Third, implementing standardization tools or software such as enterprises resource planning system or streamline workflows and minimal variability. By the standardization process, organization can save time, reduce errors, and maintain high-quality outputs. For the second purpose, the purposes and importance of process standardization. First, improving consistency. When processes are standardized, they produce predictable and reliable results, no matter who performs them. Second, enhancing efficiency. It eliminate unnecessary step, helping employees complete tasks and faster and more effectively. Third, facilitating training. Standardization make it easier to train new employees by providing clear guidelines they can follow. Why it's important? Well, it reduces errors while directly impacts product quality and customer satisfaction. Additionally, it allows business to scale up operations seamless because standardized processes are easy to replicate in teams or location. Number 3, defining planning and supervising. Now, planning is a process of setting goals, determining the steps needed to achieve them, and allocating resources effectively. It ensures that everyone knows what needs to be done and how to do it. Supervising, on the other hand, is about overseeing the execution of this plan. It involves monitoring progress, guiding team members, and providing feedback to ensure tasks are complete correctly on time. Together, planning and supervising are critical to any organization's success. Planning sets the vision, while supervising ensures that vision is turned into reality. Number 4, effective methods of supervising people. As an industrial engineering, supervising people effective is a vital skill. Here are the 3 methods I recommend. First, delegating tasks clearly. Always assign tasks with clear instructions and expectation to avoid misunderstanding. 2. Providing regular feedback. Regular check-ins and constructive feedback helps employees understand their strengths and areas for improvement. Third, encouraging collaboration. Promoting teamwork and communication can boost productivity and create positive work environment. Planning plays a crucial role in supervising people. With a solid plan, managers can allocate resources efficiently, set realistic goals, and address potential challenges before they arise. This is not only enhances individual performance, but also ensures the team works towards a common objectives. For the conclusion, in summary, process standardization is a key tool improving efficiency and consistency.